Hi there, I'm going to show you how to use an old reel-to-reel machine as a tape delay effect. It's pretty easy to use. All you really need is an old reel-to-reel machine. I got this one on Craigslist for about 20 bucks. It's an Akai GX-280D. You'll also need a mixer with an effects send. So I have my guitar going into channel 1 on this mixer. So my guitar is going into channel 1, and then I have the effects send knob turned up, so that is sending the same guitar signal out of the effects send, and then I'm running that into the input of my reel-to-reel machine. Now I'm going to hit record. You don't really hear anything different, but the signal coming from my guitar into the mixer is going onto the tape. It's being recorded now. So from there, I have another cable coming on the output of the reel-to-reel, and that is coming back into channel 4 on my mixer. So let's hear what the output signal coming out of the reel-to-reel machine sounds like. It's coming into channel 4 from the output on the reel-to-reel. So what's happening? The signal that I'm playing is being recorded onto the record head of the reel-to-reel machine, and then there's a slight space between the record head and the play head. That play head is what we're hearing on channel 4, and since there's that slight space where the tape moves along, the signal gets recorded, moves a little bit, and half second later, it gets played back into the mixer. This is where things get fun. On that channel 4, you can turn up that effects send. So then the signal coming out of the tape machine will feed back upon itself. That's when you get those echoes. You can go a little further and you can adjust the EQ on that delay signal. I like to drop the highs and the lows and boost the mid frequencies. This gives you a real lo-fi, tapey sound. So here's the original dry signal, and this is what it sounds like affected. And you can turn down, make it so it's less intense by just turning down that channel 4 a little bit. You can get it to feedback on itself and create kind of a oscillating effect. Another thing, most tape machines have more than one speed. On this machine, there are 2 speeds. Some machines have 3, 4 speeds, actually. But this one has 2. And so I'm on 7.5 inches per second now. But now I'll switch it to 3 3/4. So that's a slower one. So that's what it sounded like on guitar. Let's hear what it sounds like on voice. So I'm back on the 7.5 inch per second speed. So that would be that slapback echo sound that Sam Phillips at Sun Records used on every recording pretty much. It all started with reel-to-reel machines in this exact setup, starting in the early 50s. They wanted to recreate the sound of a live space while recording in a small studio. Another cool variation is to take that reel-to-reel delay signal coming into my channel 4 here and adjusting the pan knob, putting the signal to either the right or the left can create a more spacey kind of feel. Here it is straight down the middle. Here it is to the right. All right. Go get yourself a reel-to-reel. Make your own delay effect. Nothing sweeter than analog tape delay, especially on synthesizers. Sounds amazing on an analog synth. But don't overuse the delay effect. Use it tastefully, right?